Tressa Stair here with the agency, standing at one of the highest elevated spots in Colleyville, one of the most premier lots that you will be able to find exclusive in a gated community.
The BLUFFS is going to be the next place to be for whoever's the who's of Southlake, Colleyville, really DFW Metroplex.
We are featuring one of the best exclusive properties in DFW right now. It's in Colleyville, 5 minutes from DFW.
So excited about coming in here and building. I mean, this is just unbelievable. Look at the heights. I'm hoping to do like a round infinite edge pool, open window doors, take this thing to the next level.
We live in the north central plains of Texas, which has no views. And if you can find a little hill, it's a big deal.
Every single lot, there's only 9 of them, is sitting on a little over an acre. You'll definitely need to come out and check it out. We're having a really good time out here.
Just to be able to have the beauty of the rolling hills, the views, the sunrises with the sunsets, I mean, this is going to be the next paradise place.
Well, it's okay, it's so nice, it's just another day in paradise. Well, there's no place I'd rather be.
It's amazing. We definitely encourage you to come out and take a look for yourself.